I'm Josh Ellsworth, and today I want to give you 5 tips to creating the perfect press with your A to Z heat press. Let's go. Step number 1 is set your temperature correctly. Each heat transfer comes with a temperature that you need to set your control board for. Watch our training videos to figure out how to adjust your temperature, but make sure it's set exactly to the instructions. Tip number 2, make sure your time is accurate. Yeah, I know this sounds basic, but a lot of people shortchange the time or leave it on there way too long. Make sure you set the time for exactly what the transfer calls for. That's going to give you accuracy. Tips number 3 and 4 go together. It's all about achieving accurate pressure. This is the most missed item when decorating t-shirts with a heat press. People always get it wrong, and that's because they don't start with their item flat. So your A to Z heat press has what's called a semi-threadable design that allows you to split your item open, to be able to load it onto the bottom of the press, and to be able to get any seams, zippers, buckles, any obstructions out of the way, so your print location is completely flat. Now, not every item is constructed in a way that allows you to get it flat, so we do have tools to help you with the job. Whether that's a print perfect pad, a heat printing pillow, or having an interchangeable platen, there's a way to get every item flat on the A to Z heat press. Once your item's flat, then it's all about setting your pressure correctly. And to do that, you have to feel for it. The A to Z heat press does have a pressure adjustment knob that allows you to increase the pressure by turning it clockwise or decrease by turning it counterclockwise. Load your item, lock the handle down, and feel for the pressure. A firm pressure on this machine is really easy. We're just going to turn the pressure knob all of the way clockwise until it stops. Now don't press there because we won't be able to swing the machine accurately. We're going to then turn it a half a turn counterclockwise, and that gives me a good place to start. That is a firm pressure. So when you have the accurate pressure, that's the key to getting a perfect press. Just like the time and the temperature come with the recipe of the transfer, so does the pressure. So make sure you're setting it for light, medium, or heavy, depending on what the transfer calls for. And tip number 5, that's all about sourcing a quality heat transfer. At Stahls Transfer Express, we make quality heat transfers that are very easy to heat apply with your A to Z heat press. Simply follow the instructions, time, temperature, and pressure, get your item flat, position your transfer into place, making sure it's either right side up or upside down depending on how you've loaded your item, and complete the application. In this case, we're at 360 degrees for our 4 to 6 seconds at our medium to firm pressure for this goof-proof transfer, and we lock it down. Your A to Z heat press will count down, and it'll give you that beep to let you know when it's finished. So you can swing your press away, grab the corner of your transfer, peel it while it's hot, and that's it. We've created a high-quality, durable t-shirt on our A to Z heat press. Hey, this is Josh Ellsworth with Stahls TV, offering you the best heat press education available on the internet. If you like the content you just watched, make sure you click the like button at the bottom of the video. Also, subscribe to our channel. We publish new content all the time. It's our full-time job helping you to be successful in your apparel decorating business.